so gross. I can like connect the fucking dots in my skin.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be trying the magnetic eyelashes. And I thought it'd be fun to mix up a bit. Have someone who knows absolutely nothing about eyelashes try them on.
Naturally long.
And then someone who knows how to put on eyelashes.
Whose eyelashes are she?
So I have the Ardell kind, which is a... This one is a gel eyeliner, and then the Eylure London Pro Magnetic Lashes, and this one's just the regular liquid eyeliner.
Wait, I thought we were doing eyelashes, not eyeliner. What is?
Well, it's the eyeliner that's magnetic, and then you put the eyelashes onto it.
So we each get one eye? Like, I get one, you get one, I get one, I get one. I mean, yeah.
Yeah, I think we should do it that way, because
I don't want to reuse your glue.
We aren't using glue. But just kind of see which one would be better, the liquid eyeliner or the gel eyeliner. I think this would be pretty fun.
What the f is that?
A brush.
That is the most useless.
Okay.
Might as well stick a Q-tip in there.
I'll do the Eylure Web.
I thought we were doing one of each.
We are, but I'm saying you do the Ardell on the left and the Eylure, whatever you call it, on the right, and then I'll do vice versa. They look completely different, so you'll be able to tell the difference. I'll try the Ardell one first, so you can just use it. Alright, well you have to, wait, we should read the instructions on these.
How about you read silently and I'll read silently. Let's see who figures it out.
You have to make sure, because you do just like half your eye.
Wait, this is a sketch. Ew, it's like not that like.
Oh, we have an audience, by the way.
Oh,
hey.
you son of a.
Say hi, Georgie. Say hi, Taylor.
Mine says allow to dry, and then put 2 more coats.
This
is why I don't do eyeliner.
Why?
I blink.
Oh yeah.
I'm just sitting there like.
Sorry, you can clean it up, Taylor. Wait, what side did I say I was gonna do this?
I'm doing my left with this one, so you're doing your right with that one. And then we switch. Shit! No, you're doing your left. We doing lefts.
Okay, this is so bad.
Jeff just texted me, said Mom's on your way to come get you, Miss Confident. I hate him. There's your shout out.
Excuse me while I crack a cold one.
Oh, that was nice.
Cold one. Sip it, babe.
I sip with you.
Cheers. At first,
whoa, we're sticking to my tweezers. Whoa, where'd you go?
Okay, just give it to me. Oh my god, it's got magnets on it.
Yeah, no shit.
Holy hell. Ah! Ah! How do you do this? That's not right. Is it too dry now? I think that might be the case.
Here, oh shit. Probably easier if you use tweezers.
Easier?
Yeah.
I feel like I'm gonna fly. Okay, I think it's too dry. I look so dumb.
Well, it doesn't need to be wet to be magnetic.
Well, it's not sticking there, bud.
Try putting a little bit more.
That's right.
And letting it dry. I really like how black this is, but I don't know. I don't know how well this would like do over like eyeshadows. Like that I'm gonna have to test out. Okay, you kind of messed that one up. That's fine. Concealer will fix it later.
I'm gonna go that's a win because you're not getting any better out of me. Suffering a teapot.
Oh, apply 2 coats.
I'm just gonna sit pretty. It's very jelly.
I mean,
I'm not gonna review it. Oh, some of it.
I probably should put on mascara first because that's usually what I do. I would also like to add that we are very late on this trend. Like, I looked this up and people were doing this video like 4 months ago. So that's usually how things work on this channel. I mean, it is like easy to put on.
Yeah, easy for you to say. How many coats of that do I need?
2. But it's like,
I don't know if it's dry because it doesn't feel wet or dry. Gee.
they're just sitting weird. And they feel weird.
You're so bad with reviews.
Oh, bad.
Yeah.
The inner corner of this like Ardell one does not want to stay. Like,
Yeah, that's how I feel.
the lash part of it doesn't want to stick up. But now I'm moving on to the next one.
I'm done.
Oh. I mean,
Ow.
you need the tweezers. Here. Try putting that on with the tweezers.
How is that any help at all? Oh, it's stuck to my tweezers. I can't use the tweezers. Unless you
There's
get
so much
plastic
happening.
tweezers. Okay, I got it. It's very, I hate everything.
Yeah, I don't know if I really care about the feeling on the Ardell ones.
How do people do this? This is so gross feeling. Ugh. Oh shoot, she's flying off.
It does kind of feel weird. Like, this isn't usually what lashes feel like when you get used to them.
I look like a sad elf. Because it makes my eyes look so much lower and I have a more resting bitch face. You see this girl on Hot Topic? She hates her life. Her name is Cindy.
Well, I mean, I like how dark the eyeliner is.
Wow. I love the difference. Pretty. I look so dumb. Don't look
Okay.
at me. God, it's so gross. I hate it. I hate it.
Okay, I don't wait, just kidding, because it popped off. I don't mind, they feel weird though. I don't know about
I
it.
hate it. Just because
I like how it looks on this side. I don't like the Ardell kind. I don't.
Which one's that?
The gel. I like that it's the lash. Like, it won't.
Stay up.
I zoom. Brianna and editing zoom in on this. It won't stay up. The lash keeps like pushing downward, which you don't want to do.
Yeah, that's why I was like, kind of confusion.
And as I keep trying to fix it, it won't do anything. This side sits fine. The Eyelashes, however you say it. I don't know. It's not the most comfortable feeling in the world. For me personally, this side, they're not that comfortable.
I've been using it as a primer.
This side, the Ardell ones, I'd say are a little bit more comfortable, but they don't sit how I want them to. And the Eyelashes side, I don't know.
I lure.
It looks
Kind of
good.
sketch.
It sits alright. Sits pretty good, but it's not exactly comfortable. Like, I can feel it on my eye. What are your final thoughts?
I hate everything about it. I love my natural lashes, and they're long, and they don't need this in their legs. Popping them on, beach. Wait, I want to see how hard it's taking off the eyeliner, because it was really hard on my hand. This will be the make it or break it.
Yeah, I'm popping off this Ardell one and
God.
putting on the other one. I lure.
I lure children into buy my lashes.
And let's see if it works on the gel.
Ew, it's like flaky.
It definitely works on the gel.
Maybe I'm just really ugly. Get off of me! Ow, 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 ow.
Okay. That did not sit right either.
That eyeliner one is not coming off. Ow! Oh my god! So... Whatever eyeliner you used on this side is really cream.
This side?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is the liquid liner.
Yeah, that one ain't coming off. Oh my god, it actually isn't. I don't know what to do. Hey, Bray. What the
way that
hell
they're
we
saying.
gonna do now?
Personally, if I had to recommend one of the two, I'd probably recommend the Eyelure one. I didn't really care for the way that these ones sat, I guess first impression wise.
I do not like the eyeliner. It is not coming off my face.
Yeah, the liquid liner isn't coming off of her eye. So,
And I have sensitive skin, so it's burning.
so I don't know about it. I'm probably gonna keep using these to try and figure out if I actually like would use them every single day. I guess if I was just to do something like really quick, just pop on some lashes, then I would probably use these. But if I was to do like a full glam, probably not. I'd probably just use regular eyelash glue. But that is all that I have for you guys in today's video. It's probably not the most informative video, but I think we all learned a little something from these.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have a permanent black eye.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more. Bye guys.
This smells so good. Not the moves, buddy. What's a blooper? That's my favorite part of the video. It's I'm the funniest mother trucker. Dude, look at the difference! Look at my bottom eye! It's not coming off! Oh! Off! All my eyelashes in the eye. Fixing it.
Alright.
So, Zeus just took a shite. You know?
Uh-oh.
You must have to really edit these videos because of Logan.
Oh, bad.
I'm not that
I gotta edit a lot of videos because they suck. Yeah, this ain't uncensored.
Oh. Vagina farts. That's health terms.
We went to like 2 different stores trying to find them, and then Walmart had them, but they only had 4 left. So we bought all 4.